It's a hash brown, I
Or is it
guess.
sauce? I think it might be
Hash
sauce.
brown.
Oh,
Order.
China. And the waffle.
Hash brown
Right.
waffle. It's a breakfast sandwich.
Yeah.
That looks real. Cheese.
Bacon.
Bacon. Oh, a little bit of bacon. Just one piece.
Mm.
And where's the egg? There should be an egg.
There's no egg.
Lettuce. And a waffle. It's a waffle sandwich for breakfast. Let me feel it.
Oh, I like the sound it makes.
Oh, yeah.
Just plastic everywhere.
It's so soft and look at that. Satisfying.
I wish I got the burger, but I was looking at these two. I didn't see that one. I think my hand was covering it.
I'm gonna go get another one. Get a burger.
There's 3 of them.
They're in different
Out of the
flavor.
set.
Wow, that's satisfying.
Well, I bought it because I like toys like that where you like assemble it. That's why I used to buy those little fake.
To put them together, huh?